Looking to save on your next rental car purchase from Budget? You've come to the right place. On the Offers.com Budget Car Rental coupon codes and sales page, you can find great deals on your next automobile rental. It's easy to apply a coupon code or coupon to a rental car booking on Budget.com. Simply find the offer that best matches what you are looking for, click on the Savings button, and a pop-up will appear. Your savings may be automatically applied at checkout, or you'll be provided with a coupon code needed to save. To copy your coupon codes over to the site, simply click the Copy button on the pop-up. Enter in your itinerary information, and on the same page, enter in your offer code or coupon code once you are ready to book your trip. It's quick, easy, and you just save money on your next rental car purchase. And remember, all the offers are verified, rated, and updated daily by our awesome Offers.com team, so you never have to worry about them not working when you go to make a purchase. Save money every time you shop online with the best deals, coupons, and sales by heading to Offers.com.